Welcome everyone. Do you have someone trying to look at your gallery or your photos? Oh wait, they can't because your device is going to lock itself. Okay, you will need to use your Face ID or your passcode in order to unlock the device again, which means if someone's trying to snoop around, good luck. So if you want to do this for yourself, you want to first of all open up the clock app. Yes, the clock app. Tap on timer, and you see here when timer ends, select this one. And you just scroll all the way down until you see stop playing right here. Select that and then select set right here. Now we're going to open up the shortcuts app. If you don't have the shortcuts app, it is free from the App Store, but it should be on your device by default. You should be brought to my shortcuts, but you're going to tap on automation here. Now I already have an automation, so I'm going to remove mine, and I'm just going to find create personal automation. Let's scroll all the way down until we see app. Okay, you see app, tap on it, and then you're going to tap on choose, and you can select whichever app you would like to lock. So this video we are locking the photos app. Tap that one, and tap on done, tap on next, add action, and you're going to search up for timer, and you may see why things are starting to add up, because when we open up the photos app, we're going to tap on start timer. I'm going to start a timer for 1 second, okay? Just tap on the minute and select a second. And when the 1 second ends, it's going to stop the timer, and when the timer stops, your device will lock, okay? So tap on next, turn off ask before running, tap on don't ask, tap on done. And now from here, when you open up the Photos app, 1 second timer passes, you'll be brought to the lock screen. You have to unlock your device, and then just like that, you'll be good to go. So this will happen every single time. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If you are paranoid that someone's going to watch this video and they're going to try and reverse it on your device, then go to the Shortcuts app, and you want to do the exact same, but make sure that when the Shortcuts app is opened, it also locks as well. Okay, so just go to Shortcuts, and it doesn't fucking allow that. Cut the video.